I am going to use Anupam 300 GSM A4 size drawing sheet. This is watercolor sheet. The quality of sheet is really good, like a handmade sheet. To make Madhubani paintings, use only a good quality sheet. To draw this painting, I am going to use Artline drawing system pens. This is a set of 9 pens. I will use these pens in my painting for thick and thin outlines. These are waterproof pens. If you don't wanna buy these pens, no worries, you can use gel pen, but your gel pen should be waterproof. You can use Roreto Maxtron gel pen. This is a waterproof gel pen. And for coloring, I will use brush pens. These brush pens gives watercolor effect. That's why I am using watercolor sheet here. All the material links are provided in description box for your reference. First draw double line border around the sheet as I have done. Then draw small curve lines in this way as I am doing and draw border. Make all the curve lines double and color it with black color. So first I will draw with pencil. Just observe the steps carefully, then you will be able to draw it easily. Sketching part is complete. Now do outline with 0.8 tip pen. After outline, erase pencil marks. Do not miss this step. This is necessary step. Now draw pattern with 0.3 tip pen. So this is nose pin. I have drawn a small fish here as pattern. Just complete the double line first, then complete the design in fish. Draw slanting lines in eye. In flower, do double line and then add some more flower pattern in this way. Do complete all the double lines first. So this is dupatta just over the shoulders. So here we will draw small flower patterns in this way. Here add some line patterns. In neck we will add some curve lines to draw more patterns. Later we will add jewelry patterns. Here we will add double lines. Draw slanting line between these lines in this way. Make all the zigzag line double. And complete all the zigzag line patterns with these simple lines, but only one side we will add lines. Here also we will add lines. Now we will add some jewelry pattern in this way. So here I have drawn very easy patterns which you can draw easily. Just do it step by step, then you will be able to do it easily. In neck also we will add some jewelry pattern. As Indian bride wear jewelry, we will add some pattern of jewelry here. Patterns are complete. Now it's coloring time. To color this drawing I am going to use brush pens. So coloring part is easy in this painting. You can do it easily. So bride face is complete. To give this painting a more better look, we will add some flowers on white surface. In this way we will add some flowers. And connect these flowers with these curved lines. Just draw 3 small curved lines between these flowers. And you can add some colors also in these flowers in this way. And guys, this is the final look of this painting. You can get it framed and decorate your walls. Even you can gift it to your loved ones. Hope you like this tutorial. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.